Hello, my name is Molly Lunetta, and my project was called The Case of the Ace.
So what did you study, Molly?
I studied how the amount of aces in the deck affects the probability of picking one.
So how did you go about doing your experiment?
Well, first, I laid all my cards out and then got out a sheet so I could write, I picked it, I didn't pick it.
Okay, and so what were your variables? What were you changing?
Well, my constant variables was I always picked the card out. Each card was worth one card. Like, it wasn't worth a lot of cards. We always shuffled it in between, and those are my constant variables. My independent variables were the chance of picking it or not.
Interesting. So what was your hypothesis and what did you find out?
I thought that as I added the aces into the deck, I would pick it more frequently. But it turns out I was kind of right and wrong at the same time. Because when there was one ace and when there were two aces in the deck, I only picked them once. Then when I had three aces in the deck, I picked it 4 times. That was an increasement. But when I had 4 aces in the deck, I picked it 3 times, so there was a decreasing too.
Interesting. That's very interesting. So if you were to do this project over again, what would you change?
I'd probably change, like, which one I'm picking, like, instead of maybe, and, like, I'd probably have the aces be 3, because that would be what worked out the best, and then I'd probably do the same thing for another one.
Alrighty. And what was your favorite thing about doing this project?
I really liked it when I was picking out the cards and writing it down, because it was kind of like I was playing lottery, because probability is kind of also like luck.
Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to share with us?
Well, there was a little problem, because my mom kind of wanted to, like, take away cards from the deck and, like, give me, like, a ginormous amount of picks, because she thought, like, otherwise the chances were going to be like 0, 0, 0, 0. And I was like, Mom, the question clearly states from the deck. So in the end, we split it. I did get a lot of chances, but we didn't change the amount.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing.